everyone. This is a brief tutorial on how to initiate holds at the libraries. This is our main jbsalibraries.org webpage. You'll see two graphics here in the center, our virtual summer reading program, and then our no contact borrowing new method of putting books on hold. You're going to click right here on this graphic. When you do so, it's going to bring you to this page. This is going to give you some information on our new procedures moving forward, including library hours, our limited services, and computer use. However, if you would like to put books on hold, you're going to go ahead and click here in the center. When you do so, it brings you to this page. It's going to have lots of informational videos on how to find and put holds on hold at your library. So the first is going to be a video on searching the jbsalibraries.org catalog, how to find the books or audiobooks or even DVDs that you want. For the purposes of this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to submit a hold request using Google Forms. So first, you're going to select your library: Fort Sam Houston Library, Lackland Library, or Randolph Library. When you click on the library, it's going to open up a form. This form will go directly to library staff after you have filled it in. So at the top, please be aware we are limiting items to 10 items per account. So you are welcome to put 10 items on hold at a time. The next question, do you have a library account at the libraries? Yes, no, or maybe. If no or maybe, please contact us at jbsalibraries@gmail.com for assistance. Please make sure that you click here. I understand that I'm requesting books at Randolph Library. Yes or no? And please input your full name here, first, middle, and last, so we can find your account. Then you're going to have 10 sections where you can fill your 10 materials requested. These can be audiobooks, DVDs, children's books, fiction, nonfiction, young adult books. Anything that's in our catalog will be on request for holds. So once you fill in your information, and remember, if you're doing a book, please make sure you include the author. Go down to the very bottom. You'll see a sign. If you need any further assistance, don't hesitate to contact us, and then your library's information will be there. Hit submit. Once you hit submit, the library staff will receive your hold, and they will pull the books that you would requested, and they will contact you. Thank you so much for watching this video, and if you have any further questions, please don't hesitate to contact us at jbsalibraries@gmail.com. Thank you so much.